Hello guys, this is also another Dreamweaver tutorial. I'm using Dreamweaver CS5 for this one, and today I'm going to show you how to make a form for your website. Now if you don't know what a form is basically where if on many websites they have like a contact me section where you can contact services and things like that. So it's basically for customers. And hang on a minute, my cat is being annoying, sorry. Right, so yeah, basically it's so that users of your website, or just any contact me button, people can contact you who visit your website and stuff like that. So anyway, what you want to do is you want to open up a new HTML document. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an app div in there because it's the easy way through this, and I'm just going to quickly do some quick setting up just so I can make this video a bit more easier for you to understand. Just bear with me for a moment. Right, I'm basically what I'm doing is I'm setting up my website so that it's going to show in the middle of the page. Now if you don't know how to do that, check out my video, and it tells you how to center your website, and that will show you what I'm basically doing. So just watch that video which I've created, and you will get the gist of what this is all about. Right, so basically then what you do is you get your website. If you've already got a website set up, which I'm pretty sure you would, that's probably why you're watching this video, because you want to put a form onto your website. So find the bit where you want to put your form. So this is my beautiful website, a nice white blank screen, and the best thing that I recommend is putting the form into an app div, and then that way it will work perfect. So my form's going to be this big, and then what you want to do is you want to click on insert, and you want to click on form, and then form again. And now what that does is that gives a little red dotted line, so the whole form has to be within that red dotted line. It cannot go over it, otherwise the form will not work and it will basically fail, and it won't send the message to the email address that's supplied in the form. So okay, so first off what we're going to want to do is we're going to put in name, because obviously that's the first thing you want to know is who's talking to you or who sent you a message. And then what you want to do is you want to click on insert form and then click on text field and then click OK at that. And basically that's where the person that's contacting you is going to put their name, is in that text field. And now what you want to do is hit enter, and then you want to put their last name. No, actually I'm not going to bother putting that because you're going to put your full name in there. Just put in email address. You can put whatever you want, it's just what I'm trying to show you. And then click insert form text field. Okay, then the next one, press enter again. You're going to want to put in question. So this is where they're going to actually leave their question, so what they're going to actually ask you. Click on insert form, and this time you want to put in text area. So this is where they can put all of their hang on a minute, no, I've done that wrong. I'm going to get rid of that, sorry. Insert form, and it is text filled again. And I believe you can make that bigger if you want to, just by changing the width and how many characters also you want in it, but I'm not going to bother with that for now. This is just a simple showing how to do it. And then on the last part, I mean, like I say, you can have as many as you want, just as long as you've got the title next to it, and then make sure you've got a text field so they can actually input the actual text. And then when you finish with all the questions, click on insert, click on form, click on button, and click OK. Now that says submit. you can change that, which I'm going to reset. Now here on the left, down the bottom, sorry, you got reset form. Click on that. That allows them to reset it if they make so many mistakes. Then click insert again, form, and you want to be putting in another button. Click OK, and that's submit. That basically allows them to submit the form. So when they're happy and they want to send you the email, all they got to do is click submit. So basically that's really it. Now I'm going to quickly just show you how you can actually get the form to send to your email address. So when someone tries to send you this message, it's going to go to your email address and not just randomly, go anywhere. So what you want to do now is in Dreamweaver you want to click the split here, which is next to design view. And what you want to do is you want to look through the code. Now if it's easier, just click on the div tag, which I've just done, and it will highlight it. And look at the top. At the top it says form 1 name, form 1 method, post, action. Now here where it says action, you're going to need to put in between these two quotations, you're going to want to put your email address. But before you do that, you want to put mail to, then you want to put colons, and then you want to put your email address. So for instance, let's just put I don't know, hello@gmail.co.uk, and then that will then send an email to hello@gmail.co.uk when you actually submit the form. So okay, so I've just done that. I'm just going to quickly show you what it's like. So you can go back to the design view after you've done that, and then I'm going to save this page. I'm going to save it as YouTube, and then hit OK, and then I'm going to F12 to view in the browser, and there we go, there it is. And then I'm just going to put YouTube, and I'm going to put youtube@youtube.co.uk, and I'm going to just go hello. And now when I click submit, it's going to send an email to whatever I sent it to, YouTube@gmail, I think it was, something like that. It's going to send it to basically what you've put in there. Now I'm not going to submit that because otherwise that's going to be spamming somebody, but that is basically how you do it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and this has been a tutorial on how to set up a form for your website. And as you can see, it's not really that difficult. So I hope this has helped. Please subscribe to my channel, look at my other videos, like this video if it's helped you, and or either favourite. And thank you very much for watching. So I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.